Hi, I'm Tom Stephan. Welcome to Tom's Topics. Today we're going to cover the Hydrovar X in Simplex mode. Let's do an overview of this particular product. Now this is the ESV-X. That is the ESV with the Hydrovar X mounted. One advantage is the efficiency. So the rating is an IE5 Ultra Premium Efficient rating. That means that the cost of operation is going to be much improved over previous models. The other advantage being fully integrated is a lot of the programming is done and some of the wiring is already done. So the installation is going to be much quicker than a conventional system. Also, because of the integrated system, the footprint is much smaller than the previous unit, right? So that saves space. The other thing is because it's integrated, you can separate the drive from the motor. So if you need a replacement, you can just replace the drive or you can just replace the motor. And thanks for watching. And be sure to watch the next episode on how to wire the Hydrovar X.